The A3500 features 5 program settings for smoothies, frozen desserts, hot soups, dips and spreads, and self-cleaning. A new programmable timer helps you create consistent recipes. It displays how long your blend has been running, how much time is left on your program setting, or stops the blender automatically when the time you've entered is complete. Add in variable speed control and pulse, and you can stretch your creativity with confidence. When it's time to wash up, the containers are self-cleaning and dishwasher safe. The sleek touchscreen panel easily wipes clean. Vitamix is the first to offer a complete system of containers with wireless connectivity. That means the machine reads each container and automatically adjusts blending times. So what are you waiting for? Grind, blend, create hot soups, frozen desserts, and more. Live a healthy life with flavor and gusto. The A3500 with a 10-year warranty. Part of the Ascent series from Vitamix.
Is your kitchen overdue for a powerful upgrade? Introducing the Cuisinart Hurricane Blender. From pulverizing nuts and seeds to effortlessly producing consistent results, the Cuisinart Hurricane Blender shines where other appliances struggle. This powerhouse blender comes equipped with a commercial-grade 2.25 peak horsepower motor that easily handles your toughest kitchen tasks. With a double housing design, heavy-duty plastic base, and soft-touch handle, the Hurricane Blender is not only ultra-quiet, but incredibly easy to use. Press a button on the illuminated LCD display to choose low, high, or pulse, or press the pre-programmed setting for smoothie or ice crush. The tight seal lid comes with a 2-ounce removable measuring cup and allows liquids to be added directly into the blender jar when in operation. Automatic load sensing technology means this smart blender knows when to adjust blending strength based on the amount of food added to the 60-ounce BPA-free Triton jar, so your preset functions produce consistent results every time. The refined finish comes in gunmetal gray and complements your kitchen style without compromising the high-quality operation and efficiency expected from a Cuisinart blender. Professional-grade power, ultra-quiet operation, and ease of use are just a few of the reasons the Cuisinart Hurricane Blender blows the competition away. Give your kitchen the powerful upgrade it deserves by adding the Cuisinart Hurricane Blender to your culinary arsenal.
The A2300 features a new built-in digital timer that displays how long your blend has been running, helping you achieve just the right texture every time. Add in variable speed control and pulse, and you can stretch your creativity with confidence. When it's time to wash up, the containers are self-cleaning and dishwasher safe. Vitamix is the first to offer a complete system of containers with wireless connectivity. That means the machine reads each container and automatically adjusts blending times. So what are you waiting for? Grind, blend, create hot soups, frozen desserts, and more. Live a healthy life with flavor and gusto. The A2300 with a 10-year warranty. Part of the Ascent series from Vitamix.
We all know the benefits that come from eating a healthy, balanced diet, but sometimes that's not always easy. Until now. This is NutriBullet, the original nutrient extractor. With the NutriBullet, you can now easily get your daily recommended fruits and vegetables in a fast, simple, and convenient way. Not by eating them, but by drinking them. The NutriBullet is a nutritional breakthrough designed for anyone looking to improve their overall health with nutrition. Here's how it works. First, add spinach for fiber, berries for antioxidants, and some banana for potassium. Then almonds and seeds for omega-3 oils. Add water and watch how the NutriBullet completely breaks everything down. Even the fiber, nuts, and seeds have been completely broken down, extracting all their essential nutrients, creating a smooth, delicious nutrient-packed smoothie that can literally transform your life. The secret is NutriBullet's 600-watt motor, combined with bullet-exclusive cyclonic action that forces everything into the NutriBullet extractor blades, breaking down and pulverizing the stems, seeds, and skins, releasing the essential nutrients trapped inside, taking ordinary foods and turning them into superfoods, giving you the strength and energy you need for a full, active lifestyle, whatever your age. The NutriBullet comes with everything you'll need to get started on your path to health and wellness, including the supersized 24-ounce cup, perfect for everyday use, and ideal for making healthy dips, dressings, and sauces. The NutriBullet makes getting those vital nutrients fast, convenient, and you'll be amazed just how great it can make you feel. To get the most out of your life, you need to get the most out of your food. NutriBullet, the original super